Welcome to AI Side Hustle, the podcast that helps you make money online using artificial intelligence. Before we start, please visit our website at ai-sidehustle.blogspot.com for free tools, prompts, and resources. Do not forget to follow us, like, and share this episode with a friend who needs to hear it. ChatGPT in 2026, why it still dominates. Introduction: the king is still on the throne. With all the buzz about DeepSeek and Gemini, it is easy to forget that ChatGPT remains the world's most popular AI tool. OpenAI's GPT 5.5 model, available on the free tier, still leads in several critical areas for side hustlers. However, here is the reality check. Free tier users get about 10 high-quality messages every 5 hours before being downgraded to a lighter model. The question is not whether ChatGPT is good. The question is how to maximize every free prompt. What you get for free in 2026. OpenAI's free tier in 2026 is surprisingly generous. You get access to the GPT 5.3 model for 10 messages every 5 hours. You can upload files, browse the web, and use voice input on the mobile app. Custom GPTs are available with limited access. The main limitation is that image generation with DALL-E requires a paid subscription. The Michael method, $12,000 per month. Here is a real-world side hustle success story using ChatGPT. Michael, a former teacher from Texas, uses ChatGPT to produce 60 to 80 blog posts every month. By charging $150 per post, he earns between $9,000 and $12,000 a month. He started with zero freelance experience. His workflow is simple. First, he uses ChatGPT to generate detailed outlines using 1 or 2 prompts per post. Second, he adds his own voice and expertise to the final draft. Third, he outsources only the editing or uses Grammarly. How to maximize your 10 free premium prompts. Do not waste messages on small tasks. Use a batching strategy. Instead of writing each post from scratch, use a single prompt to generate multiple outlines at once. For example, ask ChatGPT to generate 5 detailed blog post outlines about your topic. Each outline should include headings, target keywords, a meta description, and internal linking opportunities. One prompt gives you structure for 5 posts. After your 10 premium prompts run out, ChatGPT switches to a lighter model. Use this lighter model for grammar checking existing content, basic email drafting, simple summarization, and formatting tasks. Use the upload first strategy. Upload your materials before asking questions. A single prompt that asks the AI to read an uploaded document counts as one message but prepares the model for deeper work. Best ChatGPT side hustles in 2026. First, become an email marketing specialist. Businesses pay $200 to $500 monthly for automated email sequences. Use ChatGPT to draft welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, and newsletters. Second, become a social media manager. Generate 30 days of Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts, and TikTok scripts in one session. Package this as a $150 to $300 monthly service. Third, offer online course outlines. Course creators need structure. Use ChatGPT to create comprehensive outlines, learning objectives, and module breakdowns. Charge $100 to $250 per course outline. Fourth, offer translation and localization services. Translate content between languages and then localize for cultural relevance. Charge 5 to 10 cents per word. ChatGPT handles the bulk while you polish. Fifth, become an SEO metadata generator. E-commerce stores need hundreds of product descriptions and meta tags. Create templates, use ChatGPT to fill variations, and charge $2 to $5 per product. The decision to upgrade. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month. It gives you the latest GPT 5.5 model, 5 times more messages, DALL-E 3 image generation, priority access during peak times, and full custom GPT builder access. Upgrade if you are consistently hitting the free tier limit and losing billable work. Stay free if you are just starting or mainly use AI for outlines and ideation. Final thoughts? ChatGPT is not the cheapest option in 2026, but it remains the most reliable and user-friendly. For many side hustlers, the free tier is more than enough to generate serious income. We hope you found this article useful for your AI side hustle journey. To discover more tools, strategies, and step-by-step guides, make sure to visit our official website. The address is ai-sidehustle.blogspot.com. We publish new articles every week. Please support our work by doing 3 simple things. First, click the follow button on our blog so you never miss an update. Second, give this article a like if you enjoyed it. Third, share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who wants to make money online using artificial intelligence. Together, we are building a community of smart side hustlers. Thank you for being part of it.